Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to manage the access of your document on the Google Sheets application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now select a document from your list that you have already created, or you can also create a new one. But if you have chosen from these documents, just simply tap on the three dots icon next to your chosen document's title. If you scroll down, you can see this Manage Access option. Tap on it. And now, as you can see in the General Access section, the access of this document is now restricted. If you would like to change this, tap on it. And then you will be able to select the Anyone with the Link option, meaning that anyone with the link will be able to view this document, but you can also select this Viewer option by tapping on it. And then you can select whether the people who can access can view it, comment it, or edit it. So tap on the relevant one that you prefer, and then you have updated the permission. If you go back, you can also add new people to your document, meaning that they can have the ability to comment to your document by tapping on this person icon, or this icon at the top, which is supposed to be a person with a plus icon. Click on it, and then you will be able to type in the name of the person, people, or groups that you would like to add to your document. So if you are done with adding the people that you would like to give the access of commenting to your document, all you have to do is leaving this section by tapping on the X icon, and now you have updated these function on your application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.